The ARCCAPTAIN large view welding helmet stands out for its expansive viewing window, which gives a clear, true color view of the puddle and joint so you can position and track your weld with confidence. Its high-grade auto-darkening system uses 4 arc sensors and responds extremely quickly so your eyes stay comfortable and protected whether you are stick, metal inert gas, tungsten inert gas, or cutting in changing light conditions. The integrated rechargeable LED work light on top is surprisingly useful, adding focused illumination in dim corners or inside tanks where shop lighting does not reach well. Optical clarity is excellent, with a very uniform image across the lens and minimal distortion, which reduces eye strain during long days under the hood. Power comes from a combination of front solar panels and an internal lithium battery, giving long run time with very little user intervention beyond the occasional battery change. Despite the large lens, the helmet is lightweight with a flexible shell and well-designed headgear, so it feels stable and comfortable even during extended welding sessions.